Next, applications of calculus of variation. When I started this chapter, calculus of variation, I told what is the uses of this calculus of variation, what is the use of this functional. So this is one use. Geodesic on a surface. Geodesics on a surface is a curve along which the distance between any 2 points at the surface is minimum. I told the same thing. I wrote the uh, shape of this earth and I took the plane also. How to find shortest distance between any 2 points. That one is called geodesic. Geo is nothing but earth, desic is nothing but distance. Distance between any 2 points on the earth's surface is geodesics. Finding the geodesic on a surface is a variational problem involving the condition for the extremum of the associated functional. Prove that this is very important because many times they will ask. Prove that the shortest distance between any 2 points in a plane, not in an earth surface, in a plane is along the straight line joining them. In a plane is a straight line. If you take, you only told answer. In a plane, if you take any 2 points, what is the shortest distance? That will be the straight line. Or they can also give like this. Prove that the geodesic on a plane, this is very important, on a plane or straight line. Let y equal to yx be the curve joining 2 points p of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2 in xy plane. I will take I will take two planes like this. I will take 2 points. This is P, this is Q. Let this y equal to y of x be the curve. Okay. We need to find this. What will be shape of this? So to find that, this is xy plane. We know that the arc length between P and Q is given by S equal to x1 to x2 ds by dx. This is the formula to find arc length. This is formula to find arc length. Okay. Now what is ds by dx? ds by dx is nothing but root of 1 plus y1 y dy by dx whole square. How? I will show that. If you take a line, let this is the P, this is the Q. I will rewrite that line here. I need this distance. How to find that? Take Pythagoras theorem. Let this be dy. Don't take dy, take delta y. Let this be delta y. Let this be delta x. Then run, rise over run. That is the slope. Rise over run dy by dx. But what happens if you take these points very close, then you will get more accurate answer. So take this length very short, dx equal to 0. Oh, wait. ds by dx, right? 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So this one, I have one more notes. I will show from that notes, written that notes clearly. So we'll continue that in next class, that is tomorrow. Okay. Because there I have written very clearly. You can understand more clearly in that. That's why we'll take that one and I will explain. Okay, we'll end today. Applications of geodesics, sorry, applications of calculus of variations will continue next class. You can leave now. We'll end the session here.